Alright, try this again. Okay. Stepper motor number 0. Powered up. Minus 300. Stepper motor number 1. Plus 300. Stepper motor number 0. Plus 1,000. Stepper motor number 1 minus 300. Stepper motor number 0 minus 600. Stepper number 0 minus 100. Stepper motor number 0 plus, let's see, 600. Oh, stepper motor number 0 plus 600. Oops. 600. Can't type like this. Stepper motor number 0 plus 1,000. Oops, did it again. Number 0 plus 1,000. Stepper motor number 1 minus 1,600. Up. 1 minus 1,600. Yeah. So we control these stepper motors by the device number and position.